We specialise in cabinets like this with 3 independently controllable zones. Each zone is accurate to within 1 degree, and each zone will run anywhere between +5 and +20. We call them wine cabinets because they have heating and cooling, as well as air filtration and dimmable LED lighting. Well, we have a seal across each of the zones, which meets the strip on the door. So in that way we can have an independent environment. Untreated hardwood shelves, so that reduces the vibration. We have low vibration compressors. We have UV protected glass doors. In addition, we have a one-piece steel framed door that makes the door very, very rigid. It's double glazed, it's very heavy, and we have an additional 5th foot to carry the weight of the door as well. Internally we have charcoal air filtration because the wine breathes through the cork, so with the replaceable charcoal filters we can keep the air clean in the cabinet. We also have a 2-zone, which is shelved. We also have a 2-zone with drawers. Each drawer will hold 20 bottles. The beauty of this is you can have wine at the exact serving temperature that has been opened without any risk of it dripping down through the cabinet. We do domestic appliances, we do commercial appliances, and we do wine cabinets, which can go into any sector. If a cabinet were to break down or a part break just after the warranty, we always do what we can to help the end user. We're there for the long term.
Okay, Stephen, thanks very much for that. Appreciate that. That's great.
No problem.
Thanks.